Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save your online accounts with 1Password detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the 1Password website or downloading the app from your device's app store. Create a new account by clicking on the sign up button. Choose a plan that suits your needs and fill in your email address and a strong master password. Make sure your master password is unique and difficult to guess. Once you've completed the sign up process, follow the prompts to set up your vault. After signing in, you will see an empty vault ready for your passwords. To add a new password, locate the New Item button usually found at the top. Select Password from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required fields for the website, username, and password of the account you wish to save. Use the password generator provided by 1Password if you need to create a strong password. After entering the details, click on Save to store this information in your vault. Continue adding passwords for all your online accounts following the same process. To access your passwords, simply log in to your 1Password account. You can also organize your passwords into different categories or tags for easy navigation. Consider enabling two-factor authentication on your important accounts for added security. 1Password offers a browser extension that makes it easy to fill in passwords automatically. After installing the browser extension, sign in with your 1Password account. When visiting a website, the extension can save or fill in your password for you. Make sure to regularly review and update your passwords for optimal security. 1Password also offers a feature for securely sharing passwords with trusted contacts. If you need to share access, use the share option and follow the instructions provided. Regularly back up your vault to ensure you don't lose your saved information. In case you forget your master password, 1Password has recovery options, but they require planning ahead. With 1Password, you can manage your online accounts more securely and efficiently. Follow these steps to protect your digital life with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.